I rang a trí chachána fleart ag zurach furlang súlar háir na hátre seasamach an slua I dlithe háach a Borg Esler.
Feite istí an son inis a grabí fór ní teach ar an lor cuirpe na chuit na na chitóg san rachtinsa agus á pascuí te tSraith An Iarmhí meid deis ar an máide puinte glacha an son ag an dún se feite chu Guinness agus ar sin mar orachar ag Daniel Guinness ó túl fós a dul an chaid sa Harris sé tSraith an score ó túl a kickáid tSraith an bhaide gur Kieran Martin an Nasc a get cuirpe an puinte ar sin mar score ó Martin deis ag Lachlan Beidir Lachlan cuirpe an puinte a sé sásta andar an áide It's An Iarmhí methe an pusig chun san chitóg ag McAvoy thug sé lasca beag an gaid a cha sí get Tá idir choscóir ríist Rory Mason an chitóg ha geall a bhagáil did the choscóir ag siachlínse an so.
We'll definitely take the draw. It was a bit cagey towards the end. The last few minutes we could have easily lost it or could have easily won it. So I think a draw in the end is a fair result and we'll go up to Sligo now next week and I know a point or a win up there will definitely put us up in Division 2.
The last 2 or 3 minutes was helter-skelter. I think it could have went anyway. So at this point I suppose you're happy with a draw.
We understood the task coming here today but we felt we were in a good position but we probably just fell below our own standard line and that's the most disappointing thing.
Every game is a different challenge and we know Sligo are a fine side under John McEntee. We look forward to that challenge next week.